Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get your first legendary in Pokémon Go. We'll cover the main methods to add these powerful creatures to your collection. Understanding these strategies will significantly boost your chances of success. Getting a legendary is a major milestone for any trainer. We'll break down raids, special research, and even trading. Prepare to learn the best ways to catch these rare and formidable Pokémon. Let's dive into the exciting world of legendary encounters and how you can achieve your goal. Legendary Pokémon primarily appear in 5-star raids at gyms. You'll need a raid pass, either a free daily one or a premium battle pass, to participate. Gather a strong team of at least 5 to 7 trainers to defeat the powerful boss. Once victorious, you'll get a limited number of premier balls to attempt the catch. Aim for excellent throws and use golden raspberries to maximize your chances of securing your first legendary. Many mythical Pokémon, which are often considered legendary, are obtained through special research storylines. These multi-stage quests guarantee an encounter upon completion, like the one for Mew or Celebi. Additionally, keep an eye on in-game events. Sometimes, legendary Pokémon are featured as rewards or appear more frequently. These events offer excellent opportunities to catch powerful Pokémon that might not be available otherwise. Always check the in-game news for upcoming chances. Trading with friends is another viable path to obtaining a legendary, especially if you missed a specific one. Be aware that legendary trades are costly in Stardust, particularly for new entries to your Pokédex. Increasing your friendship level to Great, Ultra, or Best Friends significantly reduces this cost. Always use golden raspberries and practice excellent curveball throws during the catch phase. Persistence and teamwork are key to building your legendary collection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.